What is up, you guys? How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm doing good, guys. Can't complain. Just getting off work. Just gonna go to Home Depot real quick. So I'm gonna buy what I need to start sending out the car, my EK, to get it ready to paint it. Oh yeah. Alright, guys, and we're here. We're at the spot. Let me check real quick what my brother said, since we're doing it together, because the one telling me what to get and what to not get. 400 and 200. Okay, so we're gonna need this one right here. 100. This is what I'm gonna use, guys, to send it out. This right here. It's probably gonna be like $8. So we're gonna use this one right here. Alright, guys, and we're gonna use this one as well. I was trying to find a 200 one, but they don't have any, so this should do it. You can get this one as well. This one has 15 sheets and this one has only 4. This should be enough to get it done. The car's not too big. Alright, guys, package is secure. We got both of them. I'm just gonna... Alright, guys, it wasn't even that bad. It was like let's see, $15. So I guess that should be it. I mean, all you gotta do is just send it out, which that I'm gonna do that right now, and then after that it should be just get it ready to, just gotta cover everything up and get it ready to paint, and that's it. But for now, I'm gonna get home. Gonna go home, eat something, and then I'm gonna prep myself and to get that thing going. I'll pick it up over there, guys. So, guys, how to make a quick stop to O'Reilly's. God damn. Weather here is crazy. Yesterday was hella rainy. Now it's hella hot. I don't know what's going on. But like I was saying, guys, now I'm on my way home. But like I was saying, I had to make a stop to O'Reilly's and get some fuses for the car, because yeah, guys, like I was saying, I had to make a quick stop to get some fuses, because remember last time when I was changing the radio, well, the fuse on the radio, it was blown, and I didn't have any fuses, and I didn't want to come to any store at that time. Well, I just wanted to finish it, so I took one of the fuses from the bottom of the car, and well, I gotta put it back, and I'm not gonna take the radio back out, so make a little stop, get some fuses, and I'll get it fixed right now. But I'll pick it up when I get it going on the sanding part, guys. Alright, guys, we're here. Got the fuses here, and I'll show you guys right now with the fuse that I took off. And yes, I couldn't find a door, so I'm just gonna paint like the car like that. I mean, if I find a door later on the road, I just paint the door, you know. But for now, I really gotta get this going, so I'm just gonna do it like that. Bye. Alright, guys, there's the fuses. I forgot which one I took off. God damn it. I think it was the one on front, so it's gonna be this one right here. Yeah, this one right here. This is the one that I took off. Ah, fuck. Is it plugged in right? Yep. Let me see. Yeah, it's cool. Alright guys, there you go. It was that fuse. I took that one out to put it on the radio. But there you go. That's it. Cool. Alright guys, we're getting there. On this fender, it's almost done. It's not gonna take me that long to finish it up because the previous owner, they somewhat sanded it as well, so it'll probably be done quick. Yeah, but it's getting there. Yeah. Yep. Feels good. Get there. All this is done. Yeah, like I said, I didn't do this. Previous owner did it, so like I said, guys, probably it's gonna take me a little bit. It won't take me that long to finish it up, but you know, still gonna do it right. So, but it's getting there. Hi guys. Damn, it's tiring. We're getting there. The whole front bumper is done. Now I'm just gonna do this side over here. I'm gonna leave the hood for the end, but the front bumper, all this side over here, the roof, it's already done. The wing done as well. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Getting there, we're getting there. Yes guys, I put tape around the tail light because I didn't want to, when I sand them, I didn't want this to happen right here. God damn it. But whatever. And I got all the rear to do too, but we're getting there. All right guys. Whew. Sorry, tired, but it's done. First steps, all the sanding is done. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna try only if I can get a fender. If not, I'm just gonna put Bando all over it, you know, to cover up this hit right there, so those little dents. But it looks pretty good. Car is all done. Damn, it's not easy. It's not as easy as it looks. But you know what guys, like I said on the first videos, I never disappoint on my builds. So this is first steps. I'll show you guys a video of the truck too for the next one, so keep sort up with me guys. So there you go guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave this lip right here white or leave it black. I'm not sure yet, but for now guys, just put some water to remove the dust and stuff from the car. But it's ready guys. I mean, I'm just gonna try and find a fender before we paint it. But I mean, overall it took good. Ready to get paint. And yes, if you guys are wondering what color I'm going with white again. I like white, so we're going with white. Yeah, and when we get it done with the paint, just gonna go ahead and do the calipers and stuff like that. Probably gonna slap on the lip, but that's gonna be for a whole different video. What's up, guys? I was gonna end up the video there, but I had to come and, well, I had to go and pump some E85, so we'll go together, you know, you feel me? I got like a, from home to the E85 pump from me, it's like a 20-minute drive around there, so we'll go together. So let's go. We're here, guys. Damn. Best feeling ever. Pumping E85. It's getting expensive though. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's $369 right now. Damn. She was thirsty. Here we go, guys. Like I said in the last video, she's already done and everything. What she needs is some paint, a lip, and that's basically it to make her look good, guys, to be honest. And damn, I love this car. It's so fun to drive, like fun to drive. There you go, $23. Alright, guys, so that's probably gonna be it for this video, guys. I really don't got anything else to say. I'm just going home right now. I'm tired, so I'm just gonna go home, shower and eat, and just relax. Probably hit the gym later on, but that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button for me, guys. I appreciate it a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.